It's been watering.
Well, we got it back together, and it
Can't see
rotates
too
with
well
noise
out
we
here.
hear since we replaced the bearings in it. That's how it sounds now, rotating. Can't really see inside, but it is
Can't see nothing.
washing. We're there sitting on the porch washing their clothes outside on the porch. What better way to spend a Saturday morning?
Yeah.
Looking at ourselves and the reflection of the washing machine.
Oh, I see suds. I see suds.
This is a $1,300 washing machine in 2007. It was broke. My sister gave it to me. Did what I want to with it. We decided to look inside, and saw bad bearings. We replaced them. For replacing that, a seal and one shock absorber run us about $90. And so far, it looks like it's running good. Sounds nice and quiet.
Yeah. Have you heard it before this? No.
It was really ragged. I should have filmed it when we first tried it because it was rubbing and scraping real loud.
Metal on metal. Some more. It's running water. Some more. The spray. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's spraying water in there. I wonder if that's the hot water. What water is that? Oh, now it's washing.
Now it's washing.
I don't know what the other stuff was doing. We're washing some blue jeans and a few work shirts of Daryl's. The water's running. Oh, good. Opal is checking it out. You got any approval on it?
Bring it to flip out.
Like, what in the heck is that? Hummingbirds are coming by. Don't know where the little door to that was. Huh?
How long is the cycle? An hour?
It's showing 44 right now, I think.
4 minutes. Thank you, Lord. That's a blessing right there.
Yeah. It runs like a top. It runs like it's supposed to. We ain't seen it spin yet.
Now our motor's attached to it, we can turn it off.
I'm still checking it out.
How many people do that?
It's a rinsing. It's going, it's rinsing. I think it's starting to go to the spin cycle. Yeah, the old dryer of ours is over there. Dinosaur. Been sitting out here a while. This thing got nasty.
That other card.
Spin.
Yep.
Well, it's in the spin cycle. Starting to, anyway. It's still saying flashing rinse.
Yeah, you still got that card, and I think I'll just go to the sub thing and you probably floor covering that, and it's not level.
That's pretty good, even though it's not level.
Yeah. So, are you doing that? Showing the spin?
Mm-hmm. It's spinning.
That's the big test right there, spin cycle.
It's on, I think I put it on medium spin.
Just to offset the clothes too. Probably works better with a full load.
Well, I
Sits on
know.
one side. If it's leaning on one side, then you're going to get some vibration. Yeah, we're just not level. Feet.
Not level. Oh, our son's coming out, Chris, so he's going to help us move this joker. Put him to work again, Marianne. He-Man had to lift up the thing. There's the wrench flashing. Look, it's a moth.
Looks like a leaf, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like a leaf. I wonder if it's one of them stingy bug type things. You know, the stinger. The little... What do you call them? The bad caterpillars. The bad caterpillars turn into a harmless moth, maybe. But it did look like a leaf. That's wild. It does look like a leaf. Still got like 18 minutes before this thing is done. I don't know what it's doing right now. Rinse cycle.
Pretty good back here.
Yeah? Yeah. I can see it. Oh. Wobbling. Okay, we're down to 1 minute. And it has stopped spinning. And it's just straightening out the clothes for us. Oh, ain't that pretty? Yep, it's supposed to be a steam washer. That's something. Oh, it's telling me it is done. And it is unlocking, and it's got the light on too. Ooh.
The light inside?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's saying, I am done. Come and get your clothes. No, it's not unlocking yet. Yeah, it is. See, there's a light. Does the light go off or it stays on all the time? The light's still on. I wonder how long it stays on.
That's probably on the timer.
Okay. Well, she's done.
You passed the test.
Nasty porch.